Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you're most welcome. My name is Queen, and if you are a returning subscriber, hello. It's nice to see you again. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look. We're going to be focusing on the eyes. You already know I love to do my skin work, but I don't want to take much of our time. I'll just go straight to fast forward the skin work video when it's time for that. But first of all, I'll show you how I achieve this eye look, because I usually do my skin work before my eyeshadow, but today I decided to do my eyes first because I wanted something a little bit shouty, and I was going to be using shimmers to prevent everything from falling onto my face, which I've already set and all of that. So yeah, just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. See you guys. Bye bye. The first thing I will be doing is my brows. I'm using this brow wax from Beauty. Just So I have this really light concealer I use sometimes as my primer. It's from NYX Cosmetics. Like I said, they are really good. They have good stuff. Just place that right on there. It's not white, but it's close to white, and I have hooded eyes, so I'll just bend my head and look up to be able to get where the perfect stop should be. So I'll let that sit for a while after spreading and do the same here. If you look at it in a way, it's kind of easier doing your eye makeup first, because skin work takes a while if you're trying to get a long lasting makeup, but you're not trying to like do something for if you're doing like a bridal look or something. Of course you need a lot of time for your skin work, and it's usually advisable to do your skin work first so that everything is setting while you're working on the eyes. Okay, so in this case I'm just here trying to create a look. I'm not going out, it's night, I don't have anywhere to be. But if you have somewhere to be, especially if it's going to be hot and sunny, it's best you let each step of your skin, the product you apply, not each step but like almost every step, to kind of dry out a little bit before you apply some more. To get a seamless application, it's always best to blend, 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 and blend. And then in order for nothing to shift up and down, try not to close your eyes and go ahead to set. So I'll just go over top it with the pigments I plan on using today. There's pink, lemon green, there's green, and there's orange. I've used the orange before. Maybe I should do purple, I think, or green. I've also done green before. Maybe I should do purple. It's been a while. I'll go ahead and blend this one more time to be sure nothing is creasing. I'll just take directly from the cover since it's start from the middle. And then bend all the way around. Before I think about creating any shape, I just want to blend first. But I definitely am not going for the rounded or the Barbie doll, whatever. I don't think that looks really cool on me. It doesn't look that bad, but let's see. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'll go ahead with a color that is not too bright, but just to give a bit of an ombre effect from here, transition from here to here, and then I'll try to darken here up a little when I do my crease area with the brown I'm about to do. So for the front, I'm going to use this canvas shade right here. Is the first one. The shade is close to cream, then it is to white. For the brown, I'll go ahead to blend with the dark brown shade on this palette. So I'll keep blending that until I get the effect I'm looking for. And I want a seamless transition between the purple and the brown. I think that looks good. Sweep my under eye with the brush. And for the shimmery shade, I'll go on top of this with a shade that is close to gold. It's called So Good. So I'll first of all use the So Good, then use ring light on top of it. So Good looks like this. This is the shade So Good, and this is ring light. They are both shimmers. I'll be using the same brush I used for the canvas shade on top of this. I'll go with the darker one first, and I'm just going to focus this in the middle. Doing shimmers, don't forget to use a brush that just packs on the glitter so it doesn't scatter. Just rub that. And this helps you to create a kind of false halo. I'll just give it a little bit of green shimmer just to see what that effect will do. And then blend that forward a little bit. I went ahead to add a gold shimmer on top of it, more like bronze, just a little bit with my finger, and to blend all the other parts where it has shimmers together. With the brown again, and blend the purple more closely towards the. So for my waterline, I'll first go in with this black. I'll go over top with this blue. Some mascara. Some liquid liner. So today I'll be using the NARS foundation. Bright. do my lips. And this is the final look, guys. What do you think?